What if I told you that all these images that are displaying on the screen that I made use of WhatsApp, yes, Meta AI on WhatsApp to create them? Would you believe? Trust me, you will not believe, because most people don't think of this, that they can actually use their WhatsApp AI, Meta AI, to create images for their stories. So while you are struggling to use Grok, struggling to use any other tools to create your images, most times you are limited, most times they stop you because you are using the free version. Just know that you can use WhatsApp to create high quality images for your story. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can use your WhatsApp, your Meta AI on WhatsApp, to create unlimited high quality images for free for your folktale story. So if this makes sense to you, stay close as we dive into this video. So you come over to your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, and then come over to this. You see this icon here, you click on it. Once you click on it, you come down to where you have, imagine a customer celebrating their purchase. So you can click on it. Okay, so I'm going to come over here to type. So look at what I'm typing here. I said create a series of realistic high quality images that tell a story of everyday life in an African community. So I'm going to click here to send. Let's see what will be the outcome of this. Yes, let's see the magic that Meta AI is going to create for us. You can see this. This is amazing, right? This is extremely amazing. Most people don't know the magic that Meta AI can give to them when it comes to images. Most people don't know this. So they think that it is only Grok or Gemini or any other images platform that can generate images for them. You can as well use Meta AI. So I'm going to continue to create other images for you to see that this is an opportunity for you to venture into. Do not limit yourself. You can use WhatsApp to create images as well. And the amazing thing is that it is high quality images. Have you seen that? So I'm going to click on it. You click on the picture, then you come over to this three dots here, then click on save. Voila, your image has been saved to your phone gallery. So I'm going to go ahead to create another one. Okay, here is the next prompt which I want to use to create another image. Happy African children playing in an open playground, laughing and running. Simple background. Okay, simple playground equipment, bright daylight, joyful atmosphere. Okay, I'm going to click here to send. So let's see the magic. Do not limit yourself, and this is absolutely free. Yes, Meta AI is free to use. So you can use this. You see this? And it gives you exactly what is in that prompt. I'm back with the next prompt. An African mother at a busy open market buying fresh vegetables from a vendor. Colorful produce, traditional market stalls, lively background, warm sunlight, realistic lifestyle photography. So I'm going to click here to send. Let's see this. Let's see this. You see this? This is extremely amazing, and the fact is that it follows the prompt. An African mother at a busy open market buying fresh vegetables. You can see everything is just as fresh as possible from a vendor. Colorful produce, traditional market. You see this? Okay, so I'm going to come here to save the video, the image rather. I'm going to save the image. Okay, the next prompt is a young American pastor passionately preaching inside a church, holding a microphone, a congregation in the background, spiritual atmosphere, soft indoor lighting, realistic church setting. So let's see. Let's see if it will be able to capture everything that is in this prompt. So I'm going to come down here to send. Let's see if it will be able to capture that. If it does, I think this should be one of the tools you should not do without. Yes, when it comes to images, in creating your images, right? You see this? Extremely, like it captured everything. 10 over 10, 10 over 10. Yes, a crossbird, a young American pastor passionately preaching inside a church. You see that? Holding a microphone. See congregation there in the background, spiritual atmosphere, soft indoor lighting, spiritual realistic church setting. You see that it's captured everything like 10 over 10. So you come over to these three dots and then click on save. It will be saved to your phone. So you can continue like that, and the fact is that it is unlimited. You can continue to keep creating. Yeah, you can continue to create without you being limited. So this is one of the tools you should make the most out of it. It is not all the time Grok or all the time Gemini, because different tools with their different quality. So this of Meta AI is of different quality, and it is very, very high quality images. So this is one of the things you can take advantage, and you are using it 100% free. If you are into Folktales channel, into Folktales videos, and you need visuals for your video, this can be of help to you. Yes, instead of you to run out of maybe creating images, maybe due to you using free tools, okay, you can use Meta AI. Most people don't know the magic that Meta AI can actually do for them on WhatsApp. I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Let people know that they can actually use their WhatsApp AI, like Meta AI, to generate images, unlimited images, to create their story. Yes, to create their story. Let people know of this, because most people don't know. All right. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.